Hello, I am Edward, here today to tell you not to do drugs. And, don't ask why Duck is dead in the background. The, police found him, after he robbed 4 banks. Anyways, don't do drugs, kids. They are highly addictive, and they can cause, disastrous results. Hey, Edward, I smell colors I've never smelt before. Henry, I'm filming a Don't Do Drugs commercial. Oh, hello, you guys should totally try some Welsh Coal. Henry, this is live television. Oh, who cares? It's just Welsh Coal. No. Now, where is that ghost engine I saw flying in the middle of the viaduct? Not the middle of the tracks, but the, middle of, like, the actual middle of the bridge. Henry, you need to calm down on the Welsh Coal. Well, bye, Ferdinand. My name's Edward, you fucking idiot. Now, as I was saying, don't do drugs. Hey, cameraman, can you please just focus the camera on me? Now, don't do drugs. They are not good. And they, as I said earlier, they can cause disastrous results. They are also highly illegal, unless you're talking about, like, medication, which are not highly illegal. Oh, Edward, thank you for hooking me up on that, special white powder. Not now, Gordon, I'm filming a Don't Do Drugs commercial. But you sold it to me, right? Yes, but I'm currently filming a Don't Do Drugs commercial. Oh shit. Hey, audience, he was just joking. He did not actually give me special white powder. It was just sugar to bake a cake. And cameraman, can you please hold the damn camera straight? I have shaky-ass hands, okay? Not my fault. But, Thomas, you're the cameraman. Why'd you zoom in so far? Hi, this is cameraman Thomas. Now I'm gonna tell these two to stop fucking telling me to stop shaking the camera. Oh yeah, by the way, they heard that. Shut up, little Thomas. Edward's in the middle of a commercial here. I don't fucking care, Gordon. Get your drug addict looking ass out of here, you fat fucking blue whale. Oh, Thomas, I don't think you should say that on live television. Why? Oh, I'm going to have to apologize for this. Oh, Edward, don't think you're not complicit in this, you drug dealer. I don't know what you're talking about, Thomas. Yeah, you do. You're also the one that caused Duck to get shot up. 'Cause you, disguised as him, robbed 4 banks. And now he's dead. And they are still searching for the real culprit. But, Thomas, you just said that on live television. Oh, I don't care if I said it on live television. They deserve to hear this. Well, audience, that is not true. I did not dress up as Duck and rob 4 banks. Yeah, I know, you robbed 5. I was a witness. Remember? Oh, right. Backup cameraman, cut the camera, please. With pleasure. Wait, this is the front of the camera. Oh, shit. My bad. And cut.